Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to study about fertilization. So firstly, what is mean by fertilization? So fertilization is the fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote is called fertilization. So fertilization simply means fusion of sperm and egg is called fertilization, and after the fertilization the single celled is formed known as zygote. So sperm come from male and egg come from a female, and when the sperm and egg meet together and fuse together to form a zygote is called fertilization, and the fertilization take place in fallopian tube. So the types of fertilization, there are two types of fertilization. They are internal fertilization and external fertilization. Internal fertilization means the inside the body, and external fertilization means outside of body. So in the internal fertilization, the fertilization occurs inside the female body. Example, humans and mammals. The fertilization take place in fallopian tube. In humans and mammals, the type of fertilization take place is internal fertilization. So in the internal fertilization, the sperm and egg meet together and fuse in the fallopian tube. So this is the internal fertilization. Whereas in the external fertilization, so external fertilization occurs outside the body, usually in water. Example, frogs and fish. In external fertilization, the female releases egg in the water bodies. Female release the egg in the water, and the male release the sperm. So the egg and sperm meet together and fuse to form a zygote in the water. So in this case, the fertilization is taking place outside the body. Example of external fertilization is frogs and fish. So the steps of fertilization in human. Firstly, the ovulation. Ovulation means the release of egg from ovary. So in the first place, the female ovary release egg. In the second step, the sperm entry. The sperm enters female body. In the third place, movement. So the sperms will swim towards egg. The fourth step is fusion. So the one sperm fuses with egg, also known as fertilization. And after the fusion, the step number 5, zygote, the formation of zygote. So what happens after the fertilization? So after the fertilization, so the zygote undergoes cleavage. Single cell is divided into multiple cells. Zygote undergoes cleavage, whereby the single cell divide and form a multi-cell. The second step, the forms an embryo. After the cleavage, the embryo is formed. Third place, the embryo implants in uterus. In the fourth place, the embryo will develop into fetus. So this is how the fertilization takes place in human. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.